Good morning, Rajiv. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Jatono Pongkaham. Yes, Kathar. Good morning. Boishake. Good morning. Regina. Good morning. Join KBD. Share KBD. One king zag bakisha. Naibo. Naithogi to kata. Link share कर दे और live session नी नॉंगनी WhatsApp हो या बा जेकुनो group हो share कर दे timer नारगनाय then we'll start discussing questions. 1 minute 30 seconds so sang solve kade na changla shina abasani join khabe gadi char na kogle obviously char nai jora bhai bro hedba char na jora phai nai apur char wanta ang to kok resak already heda brightness rock bang ya sound rock thik nung able abas sagadi 7 minutes delay dong bujika o video 7 minutes delay ngai current rock da thang pai na abse current rock ta thang teng kha khayo full session jora current tongan hne moto board to open ya do but ko internet open tanai current thanga ke abo connect khaje ko thik no bebak okay good morning upon yes good morning share khabedi link share khabedi nong ni WhatsApp okay the 12 seconds nge cheng cheng na shinai nong ni pen and paper reading able logiton di okay okay padi cheng lai bangka nai tini ni chini first question tamo mongka 2024 ni puila question okay okay so in order zak sec theta minus tan theta equal to m then the value of sec theta plus tan theta so no more zak okay sec theta okay wait sec theta minus tan theta sengno m rezak sengno kar din shawa omo okay sec theta plus tan theta tamong nai mo kar din shaw sengno ngana di seng identity kaisa semano seng identity semano identity tamo sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 hedi ba ngemo to a square minus b square ka a square minus b square no so hai ka semano sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1 ke sec theta plus tan theta ni je value to sang karda no heda sec theta plus tan theta ni value karda no sec theta minus tan theta ni value so already result bisa iko question on result sec theta minus tan theta equal to m ke sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta jaga ang sinai m gang ke sang sai bang already answer tang nai sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1 by m moman na cheng so sini option number tang nai sini option number nai c correct option nai option c correct option nai option c okay paring ke sang next question no aku leo nai sini second question 20 seconds norok aguk di 20 seconds 20 seconds. Audi. Solve kadi. Solve kadi. Punga sisri babaksa Thomas basa yakuna. Jungle angna live se kai tong kai ko. Aguka. Answer manga ke chat share di. Okay? Answer manga ke chat share di. Mari. Tam rezak sungno cos alpha plus beta equal to 0. Okay? Cos alpha plus beta jori no 0 ngake. Cos alpha plus beta by 2 besek na ini sung sungno. Cos alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, sing sai mana first of all cos ni value bufur 0 ba. Cos ni value bufur 0. Cos 90 degree 0 ngo. Heda. Okay, orang sing sai mangka alpha plus beta besek mana sih? 90 degree. Alpha plus beta mana sih 90 degree. Okay, sing aram se alpha plus beta by 2 kari mana le? Alpha plus beta by 2 tang nama 90 degree by 2 kat ke besek 45. So alpha plus beta by 2 ni value besek mana sih? 45 degree. Okay, orang sing no omakar din cai ko. Cos alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, alpha plus beta by 2 ni value to song already kari pika cos 45. Okay, cos 45 degree nai. Cos 45 degree besek ba 1 by root 2. Tinggal le. Okay, option nai. Option number A. Jadi nor option number A tick rekha ke sakha. Okay? So amde khai usa. Alright. Nari muchen nagri mo ang nong no telegram ori ro nai. Okay? So screenshot nai bo kuno nya. But main thing kangke practice sikhaina nang nai. Sate khai tong ta loge khai tong yang bai baksa. Okay? Next question. Orang kaini dongo exam angka tanor semana exam angka jawab kaisa khari but since orang sedengi dongo seng kaini na kaini sakani bo kaini or the question bo kaini seng. Alright? Tak nadi. Evaluate ni siapa semua evaluate omo 2 root 2 cos 45 degree. Nor question sin lang ya direct value se put khari direct value put khai सब से खाना चंग सिदी cos 45 degree sin 30 degree plus current thang na 2 root 3 cos 30 degree. Okay? Getang nai 2 root 2 cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree ni value besek 1 by root 2. Sin 30 degree ni value besek 1 by 2 plus 2 root 3 into cos 30. Cos 30 ni value besek root 3 by 2. Orang sengku nu cut dak heman check hen jali yes seng nai ne cut hemano root 2 by root 2 cut hemano 2 by 2 cut hemano. Okay 1 1 za 1 no phane jaga or 2 by 2 cut hemano seng plus root 3 into root 3 seng mana 3 1 plus 3 ngai 4. Madamang khasek I hope 4 man kan orok. Okay. Next or ke sawasung no A hingga ke 60 degree po A 60 degree po B besek B hingga ke 30 degree po engko A hingga 60 degree po B hingga 30 degree po verify khadi po mo kel chung left hand side na ne pilawa left hand side ta mana ba left hand side mana chung sin A plus B mana no sin 60 degree plus 30 degree sin 60 degree plus 30 degree usah 60 degree plus 30 degree to 90 degree sin 90 degree ni value ka 1 mau cini left hand side maka tag right hand side ba me mili check kai lenya right hand side tam cini sin A cos B plus cos A sin B okay sin A mana sin 60 degree cos B B ni value cos 30 degree plus cos A ni value 60 degree sin B ni value 30 degree sin 60 degree ka root 3 by 2 cos 30 bo root 3 by 2 hai da cos 16 ka 1 by 2 sin 30 bo 1 by 2 gyor sang manai root 3 into root 3 into root 3 besok ba 3 2 2 za 4 plus 1 1 za 1 2 2 za or 4 besok on nanai 4 saka manai 3 plus 1 ke mana jeng 4 by 4 kat ke 1 so 1 so soalnya left hand side by right hand side soalnya left hand side besok mana 1 right hand side besok mana 1 so verifying ka okay therefore left hand side equal to right hand side hence verified okay so I hope nor gomani tong namo to sini easy question siku kalai question so amorok to mana nangu tabuk jarale December ng tongkha tak pojento jaga doubts tongku गांखेले नों टेबो प्रेक्टिस खालामनांनाय आमते माया आमते हाया प्रेक्टिस खालामनांनाय गोबां फरायनो नांनाय जे जागा बुइ 2 घंटा फरायवा जागा नों 3-4 घंटा मा फरायनाय 4 घंटा लगातार फरायनाय या किसा ब्रेक ना दिता बिसिं बिसिं ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट नरक और नुगि मांखाना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हो जागा ताम सिजाक tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta muitu mang khake norok jodi no muitu mang khake all questions are already solve khaijak ठीक दा चिनी previous session so previous slide so nang norok seng phirok thangake ajaga seng duknai already all question solve by ko solve heda 10 no seng sin by cos khairo cot no seng cos by sin khairo georo ko a cube minus b cube formula use ma khayo ठीक nale repeat question mane nadi sengora hint bu mani tongka norok hint bu mani tongka je board ni questions repeat bu ungu so seng o jaga je nadi seng 2018 ni simi je 2025 khainai nuknai norok nuknai 100% nuknai norok okay 100% nuknai maybe trigonometry aneng mano alka chapter ni phanung mano alka chapter ni phanung mano kintu repeat question en norok 100% nuknai 2026 okay dago kemoto since tini repeat question moseng skip khalai chane heda because I'm already khai peka jodi norok khainang gake screenshot id nogo try khainai di because I'm already khaijak since moseng already khaijak ang skip khaika okay seng je khaijak abo skip khainai next question okay next more time aruwa 30 seconds ruwa norok no saibang kake 40 seconds ri kahi 40 seconds ra kanong no sadi answer ko chat comment box so answer okay watch bari kha shobit ka naam suna hello good morning yes Rajiv good morning James good morning yes Isaac da Arjun po tam da Arjun Elisa good morning yes Elisa good morning Pohar good morning sir when you will start to teach physics let's see let's focus on maths first brightness rok bari anale thik nungale brightness rok bari ka sare okay answer on the chat answer on the chat because tam kep sai ko waiting dakti Nishan tam rok raw ka ba C baksake A good morning yes Nelson good morning okay sin theta equal to cos theta then the value of sec theta into sin theta tangnai mari sin theta equal to cos theta hani rezak जों both side cos theta by divide खाके तामान्नाय both side cos theta by divide खाके को both sides जों cos theta by divide खाके dividing by cos theta both sides mong थांनाय तामो sin theta by cos theta जों माननाय tan theta cos theta divided by cos theta will get 1 tan theta when is the value of tan theta 1 bas buhro 45 degree heda nge theta tamani जों 45 degree theta mangka जों 45 degree now just put the value here sec theta into sin theta o jaga seng boxer ke nangka sec theta angke theta ni value 45 sin theta ni value 45 sec 45 tambah root 2 sin 45 tambah 1 by root 2 root 2 by root 2 cut tambah nai 1 option number C Nishant Salia clear option C option C 18 9 ke 18 likes ke 13 milia ko likes ba kebang sengna nango watching ni sai kebang sengna nango likes ba okay dakong Next question. Okay, next question ka chini assertion reason question. Assertion and reason. So already khajo kamte question. Na dita korta ni siya. If sin A equal to 1 by 3, sin A jodi no 1 by 3 ka, then the value of cos A is 2 root 2 by 3. Sin A ni value jodi 1 by 3 ka, cos A ni value asuk nai po. Mo true da, kubuja mo. So check khaline kubuja. Kubuja mo. Ngadi. Sin A besar rezak sungno. Sin A rezak 2 by 3. Oh, sorry, 1 by 3. Sin A rezak sungno 1 by 3. Kar din chao cos A. Cái sung identity use khaline cos A no ang bahai ka siman ba. Tadi cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. Identity to omo. Cái mo direct sung mutunar di direct. Cos A no ang sin no sina ki kom ting nai. Direct mutunar di. Cos A equal to tang nai root over 1 minus sin square A. Ga. Okay. Brightness to kebang yana le belai. Thik nung na le. Wasu brightness of bari thong awata. 1 minus sin square A. Sin any value besek sin any value ka 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 whole square. Okay, seng manai cos A equal to root over 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square 1 by 9 ang mo. Heda. Ya cos eta mana cheng root over or man 9 minus 1 by 9. So cos A equal to root over 8 by 9. So ta mana cheng cos A equal to root over 8 na di. Ang oro ko root over 8 tambah. Root over 8 mana to I common ang nable. Heda root 2 into 2 into 2. Kake tu kai ni hingga ongkori phedi bai ko. Hingga 2 root 2 lag di ba. Ke cos A sakawo root 8 ni value besek nai 2 root 2. Root 9 ni value besek sama root 9 ni value besek ba. 3. Ke cos A besek mangka 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by 3. Mada mili khai ko 2 root 2 by 3. Mada mili khai hi. Mili khanale. Mili khanale cos A equal to 2 root 2 by 3 mili kha. Next, जों omo phunungta ni bagay tam use khaikya. जों omo phunungta ni bagay iko omo use khayo ko. Chini identity. Chini dada identity. Identity formula use khayo जों. Identity use khayo. ठीक नाले? Hingga ke mane no kradi. Kradi. Hingga assertion to sawo no ani. Assertion to sawo no ani. Hede ba? Assertion to sawo. Because sin A 1 by 3 mangke cos A asuk mano. Reason bu sawo. Tanggai ko reason to mo sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Identity seri ro sungno formula. Obviously reason bu sawo. Hingga dari option A by option B wo. Option A wo assertion sawo reason sawo. Reason no use khai assertion no explain khai man chawo. Option A wo. Hingga sung omo no use khai omo no explain da khai man. Khai jaman reason no use khai assertion no explain da khai man. Yes, khai man sung because omo use khai sung omo kari le. Omo use khai se sung omo kari u. Obviously reason no use khai most assertion khai nai. Bo option nang ke option number A nai. Option number A. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Nishank. Nang nungya apa kira ke block hair nai. Bujka. Pot na ka pordi na kogrok do bujia samia. Kogrok bujia zadda. आदित्य नाम में टॉपर लिखने से टॉपर नहीं हो जाता. ओके, ऑलराइट. तो ये समझ लो. चिंदी चैप्टर नहीं है. चिंदी 2 है भाई. ओके, बुझ क्या ओके. चिंदी चैप्टर देखो. ओके, nari evaluate kadin chau suno mo 2 sin square 30 degree. Number A ang yang solve kasi nai 2 sin square 30 degree sec 60 degree plus 10 square 60 degree. 2 sin 30 degree ni value besek sin 30 degree ni value ka 1 by 2 whole square. Sec 60 degree besek Mujurag di sec 60 degree jodi no pokhang ke sabno mujo khainai cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree besek half. Ke boni reciprocal lang nai. Bujikale technique tong nang reciprocal rok semana lang nai ta. Ke tan 60 degree besek ba root 3 so root 3 whole square. Okay, tak semono solve kali nai. Ke 2 into mo besek napa 1 by 4 into 2 plus 3 mo cut khadi 1 paisa nai. Okay, 1 plus 3 besek 4. Mo to easy question siku. Alright. Bujikale omo. Bujina to nango. Sir, 1K complete. Yes, Rajiv. Thank you. Number B. 2 sine A plus B equal to root 3, which implies sine A plus B equal to root 3 by 2. Heda. Kita mana cungoro sine A plus B root 3 by 2 pufrung ba 60 degree pro. Heda. Cut kaya besok mana A plus B equal to 60 degree. Mongka chini equation number 1. Next sungna tam rezak cos A minus B equal to 1. Next sungna rezak cos A minus B equal to 1. Ke sungta mana oro cos A minus B 1. Cos ni value 1 pufurung na ba? Cos ni value 1 pufurung nai? Cos ni value 0 degree purunggo. Heda. Okay. Taman chini sungoro A minus B equal to 1. Mongka sorry. A minus B equal to 0. Okay, sungoro di sini direct A equal to B. Mongka equation number 2. Kesabuk sung from 1 equation 1 on tadi sungta manai from 1 we get A plus B besek ba 60. A plus B ni value 60. Heda. Sunod ay tam kardin siya. Then find the measures of angles A and B. A by B ni measurement kardin siya. Heda. Okay, A plus B equal to 60 degree. A by B to equal si. A by B to equal. Heda. Okay, A, B ni jagang tam riman. A plus A equal to 60 degree. So 2A equal to 60 degree. A equal to 60 degree divided by 2. Cut kaya besek painai 30. So A ni value besek 30. A ni value 30 ke A by B to equal si. So A si 30 hangkang ke B bo 30 engnai. Bujikha? Clear? Sabo Vishal Patri Vishal Chinese. Okay. Bhai Vishal. First of all, China is much more developed. Okay. I think you don't know about it. Yes, JD. Ranai. Sure. Okay. Do. Buji kenal mo? Aguk da malai kha. Aguk lasinai. Aguk malai kenalai. Next, omo. Mo sung actually khaijak si mobo if you remember. Khaijak da mo? Yes, sung mo khaijak no. Nari. Proof khaidin chao left hand side. Kyang left hand side na nai? Om te question nu khai ko. Mane na sung identity use khai nai nari. Norok oro waisu ko cosec theta cot theta rok ni nung mano. Nuk table tong am te question tongo. Cosec theta cot theta rok ni nung mano. Apro sini main focus tong nai samno. Chini main focus tong nai o chini 1 no. Omono sung slide nai butu nagdi. Oro waisu cosec theta cot theta ni ri mano. Te tabuk oro sec theta tan theta ni rizak. Sung main focus samno khai nai o 1 no. O 1 no sung slide nai. Cosec theta te cot theta ni rizak ke sung omono cosec square theta minus cot square theta ni ri nai because cosec square theta minus cot square theta 1 nunggu ठीक दा ताको sec theta tan theta rizak ke sung o 1 ni jaga tamar nai sec square theta minus tan square theta ni nai बुझ kada clear cut buji nadi mo clear cut buji nadi okay left hand side 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta te 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta equal to nadi tabo mono arrange khaina lagi na o sec theta minus tan theta no bus kango 2 phainai nai thotok ngo am bagi norok ban nai thotok dangjak saimia ba dakha nai thotok jago sec theta minus tan theta plus iko 1 ida tak o 1 asle nai or chini ai ko je trigonometric o je chini 1 ni jaga जों tam nai sec square theta minus tan square theta जों or chini trigonometric identity use khaleo nai heda nke mo 1 plus o kusuk marok bo bezal hasa hamlang liya ti kutung rogu nang nakya komi phano teisa thanda manjake bari phebiro sec theta minus tan theta plus motamo a square minus b square hengi dong ke mono sek sebair nai sec theta minus tan theta te sec theta plus tan theta mutu nagdi tolao sung kunu khaya eko omte he question no sung tolao kunu khaya tola bo sim no tongnai bo ekdom chilled ka o tolao je tongnai omte question no je tolao tongnai bo ekdom chill sakao simi se slai jagi tong sakao simi tolao ke ekdom chilled aram se tongnai ko kono ye ko na di slainas nanya abo na abo saithani ko abo na abo saithanai mo olo last to tanjagi thanai bo tanjagi oke na dia jara buji khanale tabuk nai nai di o jaga ang omo bai omo tiklai mano or bo sec theta minus tan theta tongo or bo sec theta minus tan theta tongo or plus tongo kini kisa no khanale kini kisa plus tongo heda or bo sec theta minus tan theta or bo sec theta minus tan theta plus ni pore so o sec theta minus tan theta na tiklai nai baire tiklai nai sec theta minus tan theta no baire tiklai kita mane angoro 1 omon jaga tang sinai baire stiklai pe kya mo omo baire stiklai pe kya gomon jaga tang nai ba 1 plus omo motang baire tiklai pe kya mo torok nai heda sec theta plus tan theta nadi ko mili jongkai ko tolao re tolao na chotok ke phebe kya tak omo to pura multiplication om bai omo to pura multiplication he diba pura multiplication borok okay omo bai omo ekdom solai nadi solai tanir nai sengta mane hingke oraga sec theta minus tan theta equal to sec theta tamo 1 by cos theta minus tan theta tamo sin theta by cos theta simana lahike hingke oro base cos theta sakao 1 minus sin theta chini right hand side by solai kai ko right hand side by solai which is equal to right hand side hence prove that na show that prove that hence prove buji tongkha okay asik botafia heda asik botafia khaite na ji khaite no botabuk improve mani nugi to hana koita khaike sing koita question khaike na di koita question khaike o jaga no man 60 ta sing question khaike previous year ni tep tongkho okay more than 90 tong more than 90 can you speak English yes Soria I can speak English of course but now I'm taking a session in my own dialect which is called Kokborok see every time I live stream I get new audiences because most of my most of my students they are Kokborok speaking students not English speaking students buji tongale likes belai komku tadi norok video like kerkhangke se YouTube algorithm rom nai hingke se share nai hingke se push khainai apur se YouTube video no push khaina chengo ka push khaina chengnai apur se YouTube so like read di share bo khai di okay next question Omonong bagay ang timer set easy question. Remember, these are all board questions. These are all questions that have come in previous year, 2024. Okay. After finishing 2024, we'll be jumping into questions from 2025. Nong no time ruang 40 seconds answer दिया नो चैटो डॉक्टे जल्दी से आंसर कमेंट में लिख दो हेलो यस अनुष्का यस हेलो comment the answer or chat ang the koto ni jong okay sorry because answer bisa answer tamaro bui bai text khanya bhai bai bui bai kok sagana YouTube random person bai amba ga bhai ajaga disturb tang dei ajaga ya focus ang nang nai o question no kha yang sai mano baksa text mi khai jong soitan kisa mirik amte dong student amte tang di okay nadi answer da saka je answer ka rijak answer da saka let's see cos theta besek root 3/2 cos theta rijak root 3/2 ke cos ni value buffer root 3/2 ba cos ni value buffer root 3/2 30 wo thik na le ke theta besek mangkha 30 degree kang ke sin phi maka phi no buji kamon ka phi ini tongo sai ini tongo kai ini tongo so sin phi equal to 1/2 buffer ba 1/2 30 degree on ngabla heda okay that is some graph phi besek mangkha 30 degree ke sengkar nang o tan theta plus phi besek nang ke tan theta besek 30 omobo 30 plus 30 besek ba 30 plus 30 ngai 60 tan 60 degree besek root 3 sekian ni bo option nang nai option number A je option number A tik rekha bolok belaino share student narok jotono share je option A nir nairok jotono share I so sweet for bapre aku leo nai cardimo nadi ang direct sigado cos 45 besek cos 45 ka 1 by root 2 sin 60 degree besek root 3 by 2 sec 30 besek sec 30 2 by root 3 ठीक ना ले because cos 30 root 3 by 2 sec 30 nai 2 by root 3 cosec 30 besek cosec 30 nai 2 ठीक दा clear janja value box akaseng tabuk mon LCM na kata mana oro 2 root 2 okay root 2 by root 2 cut tam torong nai 2 into 1 2 plus 2 by 2 cut root 2 oro ke root 3 into root 2 root 6 tola tam mana jeng root 3 okay oro mana 2 plus 2 root 3 buji kada okay keseng oro mana 2 plus root 6 oro 2 root 2 into mo saka thampai ke root 3 2 plus 2 root 3 kada 2 plus root 6 sorry mo multiply do all multiply kalian 2 plus root 6 into root 3 okay 2 root 2 2 plus 2 root 3 okay mo tamanai 2 root 3 ge mo root 6 into root 3 besok manai root 18 mo manai 2 into 2 4 root 2 plus 2 into 2 4 root 6 kemana 2 root 3 plus root 18 tambah tadi ya root 18 mana itu 3 into 3 into 2 hai na bele thik da okay 3 kai yong khori phainai ta mane जों 3 root 2 okay root 18 ngai 3 root 2 sorry not root 16 root 6 okay so mo jodi non rationalize kai okay rationalize kai answer kari mano or else asik pano sao okay asik pano sao hai ke rationalize pano khairi mano bujika okay mai rok sagana ang mo mai sa ya kuno okay nong no phrengbai ang aguli sima thangwan dago mo norok asik ya kare mano ka depend on mo to beseng marks ni 2 marks ro ni so asik enough so the rationalize kai khai ko kare next nukhna norok romo nukhna mo tam question mo repeat question so repeat question kar khai khaya so mo already khai jak sin theta common now cos theta common now yang sin theta by cos theta ngo yang 1 minus 2 sin square theta ngo yang 2 cos square theta minus ngo abono sing sin no cos slayo ba cos no sin slayo amte ke sebai last of cutting thango nge chin do torogo sin theta by cos theta by cos theta value tan theta okay right hand side proof thang chi more repeat question nor mukhna okay all right next sing agok lai nai 9 theta more than 90 tong tang ta bo number 63 o siko onek tongko Mone bagai ang dong time ro nai 40 seconds answer the comment box answer the start ready papat sir I heard you left your previous school aw yakar ka ang ti kono so ko school ro krei tabuk sa tu to yakar jakno independently phering tong na ka okay because answer the option okay the option in how Rajiv let's see Rajiv if you are correct sin theta ni value ka busuk 1 angka sin theta ni value 1 angka ke nari sin theta ni value 1 ka ke first of all sing theta ni value makari granai hede ba theta ni value makari granai theta ni value busuk nai sin bufru 1 ba asego okay theta ni value busuk 90 degree sing mangka theta ni value 90 tak sing oro box ana ya mano half sin theta by 2 theta by 2 mane 90 degree by 2 kat ke busuk phainai 45 kita mane sing half sin 45 degree sin 45 degree busuk 1 by root 2 kita manai 1 by 2 root 2 option number A so option D liya Rajiv option A sing lai answer nai di bojaga mistake ka hello sir menu yes Yuvraj Singh hello see even if you don't understand the language you can still solve the problems here right that way you can keep practicing question is not written in a Cockburg or any other language right it's written in English so you can even if you don't understand the language you can still solve the question focus on solving the question and also I'm not writing here in any other language I'm using English right and numbers mangka agulai mangka I hope it's clear buji kana norok buji kana 가카요. Next question. 엄때 question ang skip 가지나이. 그러니까 엄때 question 너로 가면 없다고. 어머. 뭐슨 바르바르로 가기야. 바르바르로 가기 날래. 너로 바르바르 못 또 나게 엄때 question. 그러니까 so taya कर दी 엄때 question. 어머 solve करी. Number A. Number A जों solve कर लेने. ang direct sini jo. Ang direct sini. 5 cos square 60 degree. 5 cos square 60 degree. Cos 60 degree ni value besar. Cos 60 degree ni value ka half. So 1/2 square plus 4 sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree besar naik 2/√3 whole square minus tan 45 degree 1 so 1 square divided by sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree value besar half square. Omo NCERT ni question sih. Eda NCERT wo tongo question. Mo NCERT wo question tongo. So 5 into 1/4 man na omo plus 4 into 2 square na 4 √3 square na 3 minus 1 among na 1/4 among na 3/4 among 1 ang thang heda. Kaya orang mana ceng tabuk 5/4 plus 16/3 minus 1 o tola mana ceng 4 1 plus 3 hedi ba keseng taman senora 5/4 plus 16/3 minus 1 4/4 kat khair ke 1 ang thanai omo keseng just omo simi sisi nai tako 5/4 plus 16/3 minus 1 LCM nari 12 man nai 4 besi ke 12 bang 3 into 5 15 plus 3 besi ke 12 bang 4 16 into 4 64 minus 1 heda बुझ के नाले इनके 64 minus 1 खेर दे 64 minus 1 बस एक बार 63 और 5 बार रेडी बस 68 78 ओए sorry और 3 एक नाइन ओए sorry 3 po 12 bang naik 15 minus 12 kali 15 minus 12 besek 3 64 plus 3 67 biang orang 3 tabung no siasang tangamo okay all right Rajiv menisi marisyo Rajiv okay baksa ke lengzak bai khana iko watching komang thangka lengzak bai khana te kisa sheler tabang asak sheler kengya sheler ong ke bike go su thupu mojo nagdi o bike go su thupu ka basak kir masang sa jinis pungai si siri kisa basa oi just ko all live streaming jisek solio asak pojong nang maths practice khai miya tam khai tong ha amte aje ang tono 8 घंटा 10 घंटा phering tong amte eble just kisa live streaming of phaidi previous year question solve khaidi kisa confidence to bar ne ble ni abu yang to musungya ai keda ha dako nor monukha sing oma khob khaijak or repeat question din sejak ya okay otam question repeat question okay repeat question tam khai sig mono sin theta by cos theta no of homo slai ro thasing ni hai ka omono sing right hand side no alo sabai nai separate by right hand side no sabai nai separate by left hand side or sin by cos no sing of homo slai nai tam khai ke cos theta by ang jepro divide kheu both numerator and denominator jepro ang cos theta by divide khanai omong thangnai tan omong thangnai sec ba thingale gam te ke sing solve khai ta ke answer 1 pai clear बुझी तो नाले और एल्स आमते के डिवाइड खाया खाइना मुसुं आमते के डिवाइड कक करे ओ 1 नस लेर और तंबा sin थीटा cos थीटा नुक तो हले sin थीटा cos थीटा नुक तो हले इनके sin थीटा cos थीटा नुक तो हके और न sin स्क्वायर थीटा cos स्क्वायर थीटा बो यूज खाइमानो अमनो बो नों sin थीटा cos थीटा स्लाइ मार नाइता आमते के बो खाइमानो माने गोबां मा वेस दङ ट्राइ खायनायदि एक्सप्लोर खायनायदि नरक निजे निजे सल्भ खायै लामा बतै दं चेक खायनायदि बुझिखो दा जे लामा नरक इजि जागो आ लामा थानि बिकज नों अलरेडि आलका लामा बुसायमान जा ठीक दा ओके जों आगुलायनाय मन बागै आं टाइम रोवनाय MCQ का आं टाइम रिनाय ओके 50 seconds रेशियो नहीं तो 50 seconds रखा ना टाइम सॉल्व करी अच्छा 50 seconds wait 1 minute 1 minute दे रखा को खरी 1 minute टाइम मा सॉल्व करने दक्टी सॉल्व करी 1 hour तो काय खुना खाइजाक यस राजीव खाइजाक मो खरी नेक्स्ट टाइम लाइव असर कम का आउट खेर बने आउट फोरोंया आम देरो ना शेलेर अटेंडेंस रिला दो नागे ना सब तो अटेंडेंस रहते तो दो अटेंडेंस रहती राजीव ओके ओके वाशे रखे नंगो उपहार अनुश्री ओके असुनो अटेंडेंस एली ओके मोबाइल डाटा पाइने से किरी जागो ना बार ऑलो रील्स रख नहीं मियांग ननी एपिसोड नंबर 5 नहीं में आखो एपिसोड नंबर 7 नहीं में आखो अब ना जान बागी एक मोबाइल डाटा खादी तंगो आदि ता अब नहीं मसा योमो नारी टेक्सा हेल्दी कुक हेदा एटलीस्ट नंग एग्जाम मोले पास अंगन let's see और तमसा x by 3 equal to 2 sin a जोंनो अमर जाक ते y by 3 equal to 2 cos a अमर जाक जोंनो कार दिनि सावो x square plus y square अमर कार दिनि सावो x square plus y square कता माने जोंरो माने x equal to 6 sin a हेदा जों कार दिनांगो x square plus y square so obviously आं मनो ताम खायनाय squaring both sides खेरनाय so x square equal to 6 sin a whole square ang थांनाय मो ताम माने क्या 36 sin square a माननाय similarly ओ जागा बो y equal to 6 cos a क्या आं जेफ्रु squaring both sides खेरनाय आं ताम माने ओरो 6 cos a whole square 36 cos square a के x square नि value आं मान खाबसो x square नि value आं मान खा 36 sin square a y square नि value आं मान खा 36 cos square a के orang 36 common na kha ta mana ba ang sin square a plus cos square a 36 into sin square a plus cos square a besek ba 1 36 into 1 besek 36 option number tamang kha to sakhat norong ni je khaijak rok option number a chawi tong nale yes okay bacon rima next aku leonai sing aku leonai next question no 24 siko sana sung 25 bose sokpa ko 24 siko So mau menang no time read nai 1 minute time. कर दे चैटो सारी आंसर Mangha answer option C. Power sao option C. Option C po. Okay, let's see. 4 sec theta minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so 4 sec theta equal to 5. Sec theta equal to 5 by 4. Sec theta sang makasang 5 by 4. Kar dini siya cot theta. Kar dini siya no cot theta. Mucho nagdi sang tam kar na sang identity use kanay ko mo. Sec square theta equal to 1 plus 10 square theta. Narotag 1 sung manu. Are sir 10 square theta sekali to manang. Sang cot theta sekali na nango. Heda cot theta sekali na nango tang 10 bagari tong. Sang say mano 10 ni reciprocal sabo. 10 ni reciprocal cot. Hingkang 10 mangka apni reciprocal khair ka ngeno cot ang thang le. Heda ba? Hingke sang orta manai 10 square theta ta mane jaga sang manai sec square theta minus 1. Ang step si tong buji ka norok buji na jar. So 10 theta equal to root over sec square theta minus 1. So ang 10 theta ta manai root over 5 by 4 whole square minus 1. So ang 10 theta ta manai root over 25 ang by 16 minus 1. Okay, direct silia, direct sinain sana tuan. So 25 minus 16 by 16 root over 9 by 16. 10 theta besok 9 3 by 4. 10 theta sorry 3 by 4. So cot theta tang sinaba 4 by 3. Cot theta ngai 4 by 3. Option number D. Option D. Memilih kah option D 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Jotane na 4 by 3. Okay. Cot theta ni value 4 by 3. Aguk mangka. Next. Kardio mo. Tam mane ho jaga 2 tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree mane 1 by root 3 sec 60 degree. Sec 60 degree besok nai 2. Heda tan 45 degree nai 1 minus sin 60 degree ke root 3 by 2 whole square. Tam mane sungo jaga saka 4 phainai tola root 3 phainai और के 1 minus 3 by 4 phainai geseng manai 4 by root 3 और के 4 minus 3 kan ke 4 minus 3 okay geseng manai 4 by root 3 4 by root 3 1 by 4 geseng manai 4 by root 3 into 4 so 16 by root 3 16 by root 3 no seng rationalize ke mano 16 by root 3 no seng rationalize kai kang ke orang nai root 3 okay seng nai sini answer seng nai sini answer 16 root 3 by 3 Angka bujikna जों आवगलाय मांखा next question okay see nor question nukana mo year besek 2024 so with this question or question by chini 2024 paikha okay 2024 ni question paikha जों tabuk 2025 Padahal kusung maruk began no with this जों chini 2024 paikha tabuk जों आवगलायनाय 2025 last chini 2025 last set okay last set bolte last year all right do no enough time rekha solve khaban le ready 7 plus 4 sin theta equal to 9 more jak theta ni value tang 9 if theta is an acute angle and 7 plus 4 sin theta equal to 9 then the value of theta is theta ni value besok 9 ni songo ke जों theta ni value sanango ke o number 9 ri habai 9 minus 7 ng thangnai bo heda ke जों mannai 4 sin theta equal to 9 minus 7 besok ba 2 ke जों ta mannai sin theta equal to 2 by 4 kar ke 1 kar ke 2 sin theta ni value besok mangka जों 1 by 2 sin theta ni value bopur 1 by 2 ba sin 30 degree wo ठीक दा theta ni value besok 1 sanai जों 30 degree so 30 degree se ke bo option ang nai option number B okay okay option number B yes I show speed no bung by bilin tongo theta 30 yes Rajiv theta 30 very good Elisha yes theta ni value 30 degree okay 70 also can not 70 okay more than 20 questions tong chin more than 20 questions kebang mano kardimo 1 minute time ro nong no answer sari fat chato sari answer dakti okay option A hini sao Rajiv ke sao option A let's see Rajiv if you're right okay time up nari tam rajak sungno rajak tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta into sec theta hai ke rajak nable nari tabo tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta no sung tani siman 1 by cos theta no sung sec theta ni simano ke sung tani ro sec theta into sec theta hedi ba ke tan square theta sec theta into sec theta tang na ba sec square theta ke muito narak di Rajiv muito narak di sec square theta minus tan square theta so 1 go hedi ba sec square theta minus tan square theta so 1 go tan square theta minus sec square theta tang na ba minus 1 nang nai heda ulta sejak mo option number C confused tang di exam 1 in tiga ka mana already sayang tang ka asa kelas MCQ mistake tak hadi maka observer ko kam ko observe kari okay questions no kam ko observe kari -1, yes, -1. -1. D'accord. Agulai mangka, agulai mangka. Ortam rejak sungno. Question nuk kamane khai thani. Ang kok samarok ko nai neng ya. Question nuk kamle ang to obviously kok sai tong nai no. Iko taba ang kok sai tong. Nor ke question no nai se value box se solve se khai tong jidi. Hai de ba. Omo nor khai di bujka. Omo nor khai di. Norok ni samong omo. Omo norok ni samong norok ni samong. Ka ang joto no omte chikon question sudah ang nang solve khai sina ke sing 90 jora sogi manglak. Moje camera ni je battery ni charge pai thang nai. 1 hour dang kha. I think 1 hour khana na. Do. X cos 60 degree ni rejak sungno. Y cos 0 degree ni rejak. Sin 30 degree ni rejak. Cot 45 degree ni rejak equal to 5. Ingke sing tam makar nai omo kar din chau x plus 2y kar din chau x plus 2y. Mani sing x ni value nango te y ni value nango x plus 2y. Heda. Ta mane sungoro x cos 60 degree busuk ba. Cos 60 degree ka ikomo. Heda cos 60 degree. Plus cos 0 degree busuk 1. Sin 30 degree busuk 1 by 2. Cot 45 busuk 1. Kesungor ta mane x by 2 plus y plus or direct hair mano half minus 1 besok na ba mang direct sir kado minus half equal to 5. Okay kesungor LCM naka 2 manai x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 5. Okay, x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 10. X plus 2y minus 1 equal to 10. Okay, x plus 2y equal to 10 plus 1. X plus 2y ni value busuk man sinai 11. Asuk nai asini answer yang ti separate khai nang liko on phai gada x plus 2y equal to 11. Bujh kida bujh kha okay okay x plus 2y equal to 11. I hope it's clear. Agule mangha question number 73. Omo to norok nukhana omo song already khaijak thajingpur sunuk drop lemo ba heda 2024 sunuk drop na 2025 phai kwa 2024 sunuk drop 2025 phai kwa mane nang ngor hint mani tong khwa je amte je previous year phai ke this year phai binai next year phai binai so 2025 je phai mani abu 2026 phai man piro norok nor nugui doka example 2024 question phaijak 2025 repeat khai piro heda 24 ni 25 repeat khai piro 25 ni 26 phai mano chances tongo mo sang sir la nai tam hanai ora sang sir la nai repeat question engka repeat question kintu tolani repeat ya engka sang tolani solve makalene left hand side tama left hand side chungo maro jak sin a plus cos a divided by sin a minus cos a plus sin a minus cos a divided by sin a plus cos a. Kesengoro LCM na hake tamanai sin a minus cos a into sin a plus cos a hingke ora saka manai jeng nari om bai mo kadang thanai torok nai mo so sin a plus cos a into sin a plus cos a whole square plus om bai omo kadang thanai torok nai omo sin a minus cos a into sin a minus cos a sin a minus cos a whole square. Kamu a plus b whole square formula by sabai sinai ang direct sinero ko a square plus 2 ab plus b square. Buji khale a plus b whole square ni formula by plus a square minus 2ab plus b square divided by a minus b a plus b tong mo so a square minus b square. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Plus 2 sin a cos a minus 2 sin a cos a katang thangnai. Abon pore sungnugi mano. Aboni pore sungnugi mano o jaga naidimo. Omotamo sin square a, omotamo cos square a. Amoni value busuk na ba. Moni value busuk na ba. Moni value ngai 1. ठीक दा हाई नो हाई जोगनुगै मान फेरो इकोमो मो sin square a इकोमो बो plus cos square a कतम होनाय ते कैसा 1 फाइव ना न्याले ते कैसा 1 फाइव ना इको इनके जों तला तामो तला नारि तला sin सिमिसि तला sin सिमिसि cos तो दंबा गरै cos गरै माने जों cos नो स्लाइ मारनाय इनके cos नो जों sin नो स्लाइ मानो 1 minus sin square a नारि since minus दङ आं ब्रैकेट मारनाय मुतिनालि ओ ब्रैकेट अनेक इम्पोर्टेन्ट ओ ब्रैकेट अनेक स्टुडेन्ट्स दं मिस्टेक खायो सो काहम को ऑब्जर्व खायो ओके सो 1 plus 1 like 2 और माने जों sin square a ब्रैकेट नो सबायनाय -1 minus into minus plus sin square a नरगनुगि माखन अलरेडी फायगासिनि आंसर 2 sin square a plus sin square a तामानाय 2 sin square a tam torka -1 right hand side by equal da yes right hand side by equal which is equal to right hand side prove that in the sa yes prove that in shao so hence proved buji kada buji mangka I think norok buji mangkana all right screenshot nana kanadi jadi nana kanadi ta okay b example ni si b bomo homada oh sami ada example ni da example lo teri tong kamu anggo pok tangka saman cina norong no boy kuluk saman cina apa oke da gong kok kri जों solve खायगामो आगुलाय मांखा बुझि खनाले कुनो जागा डाउट्स रक करि नबले डाउट्स तंके फाफा टाइप खाय साइरे बुझिका आं सेमाने जा थंके सां तेसा नंना एक्सप्लेन खाय मानपिने कुनो साया माने डाउट्स करि माने आं आगुनाय नेक्स्ट मो टाइम रो एमसीक्यू के आं नंना टाइम रो एमसीक्यू आं नंना टाइम रो 1 मिनिट लगाव अब सानि आंके किसा वाशरूम थांग माफैगोन ओके Okay, I hope norok answer mangkana. Answer da mangka. Let's see. Tam rajak sumora. If 7 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta equal to 4, then the value of theta. Theta ni value tang nain sum. 7 cos square theta plus 3 sin square theta equal to 4. Nari. First of all, nong ni itcha norok ebaka cos no sin no slayer di, ebaka sin no cos slayer di. Okay? ఇంకా cos no sin no slayer sini. Slayer kai ko hake mangka. Okay, mangka. Okay. So ang mana ora 7 minus 7 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta equal to 4. Ang ang ora manai 7 acha 7 no yang ri hoshina jo 7 no ang ri hoshina. Minus 7 sin square theta plus 3 sin square theta tang nai minus 4 sin square theta equal to 4 और 7 ang thangka minus 7 ठीक दा so minus 4 sin square theta equal to minus 3 minus katang thangnai ang mannai sin square theta equal to 3 by 4 ga sin square theta jodi no 3 by 4 sin theta tangna ba root 3 by 4 which implies sin theta ni value root 3 by root 4 value 2 so root 3 by 2 ga tak sin theta ni value for root 3 by 2 ba sin 60 degree pro heda ge theta ni value busuk pansinai 60 degree asa da phaiga jotoni option theta equal to 60 degree option number C let's see sab answer phaiga kevin answer phaiya are option C. Okay, option C. Tu watching sing siu. Thang ba kya? Do ko kare. Sajing sa kya sajing ko kare. No problem. Okay, option C. Yes, correct. Option C. Aku lain ne. Next. Mon bagas time liya. 30 seconds ashe nahi. Okay, agu de. 30 seconds of agu de. Answer kar de. 30 seconds. Sin 30 degree, tan 45 degree equal to sec 60 degree by k. One man army. Hanta kokre. Kom ke kom tang khaba. Jepor nai botau na ble. Khoroksani live panang snami ni maka khoroksani class ni marks norong hami thanga maths ni. Eda. Ani bagi onek kabo. Dakong. Answer tang nai. Sin 30 degree result tong no sin 30 degree tan 45 degree equal to sec 60 degree divided by k. Sin 30 degree ni value nai 1 by 2, tan 45 degree value 1, sec 60 degree ni value nai 2 by k. So 1 by 2 equal to 2 by k nai k ni value busuk nai 4. Kalaisya dadin mangka phat. Eda k ni value 4 iko. Moro to exam mana na moro aram se. Ka tu by ke tu mangka sanaro. By ke tu mangka. 4, yes, 4. Aku mangka heda. 1 hour dang ka? 1 hour dang na? 1 hour ka heda. Okay. Next. Mo kali ni chung. Nai tam rezak sungno. Sungno question rezak. If 10a equal to root 3, 10 any value zori no root 3 hake. Where a is an acute angle, then find the value of sin square a by 1 plus cos square any value karidi ni shawo. Ngangke. Sing simple. Nadi 10a sungno zori no root 3 rezak. Ngke sing 10 any value for root 3 ang sai mano heda 10 any value 60 degree for 10 any value 60 degree for root 3 go so any value sang mangka 60 tabuk just all jaga box sang nasi mangka ang direct sina bujika sin square a adeba any value 60 degree 1 plus cos square a any value 60 degree okay sin square 60 degree busuk sin 60 degree root 3 by 2 whole square 1 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Root 3 square ngai 3, mong nai 4, mong nai 1 plus 1 by 4. Keseng manai 3 by 4, or manai 4, 4 plus 1, so 3 by 4, 5 by 4, okay. 4 by 4 cut, tab manai 3 by 5. Answer manai 3 by 5. Alright. I hope it's clear. Nai di. Kun doubt structure-nya I hope keseng aku lemang ka aku lemang ka aku lene Omo next question nana jenarok next question prove that 1 plus 1 by tan square theta 1 plus 1 by cot square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta minus sin power 4 theta. Baik ini mo. Baik ini. Nadiang. 1 plus 1 by tan square theta. 1 by tan square theta mana no yang 1 by tan square theta mana ke si mano 1 by cot square theta. Eda left hand side. Okay. 1 by cot square theta cot 1 by cot theta sab ni reciprocal ba 10 ni so 1 by cot square theta no 1 plus tan square theta nai si mano tak monang sebai renai cos square theta by sin square theta nai omo mo bang sebai renai 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta nai okay ke tola mana ita mang tola mannai sin square theta saka mannai sin square theta plus cos square theta into omota mannai cos square theta mannai tolawa saka mannai cos square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta tang nai 1. So 1 by sin square theta nai omo bo 1 nai so 1 by cos square theta nai. Ngang ta mane o jaga 1 by sin square theta in sin square theta cos square theta. Clear da sura? Clear da? Tak check khere di. 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta to ang sinus le manu. Bhai ke 1 minus sin square theta. Kita mana yang oro 1 by sin square theta into 1 bisa multiply kher di sin square theta minus sin square theta into sin square theta tang nai sin power 4 theta. तो भाई क्या? भाई क्या ले? Equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay? खा खा बुझी तो मनोरक. कुछ doubts करियो जगह. कुछ doubts करी. mau example nih. अच्छा example nih dah. Dah example nih kita belain yang kaham kok. Engkau, sing aku lemang kah? Aku lemang kah. Next question. Next question omo. Root over cosec theta minus 1. Om teh kebang mak hai ke? Nari confidence hai bene. Confidence hai bene ngarong. Om teh main om teh si 5 le marks 3 marks rokni. Hey da. So left hand side tamo left hand side. Root over cosec theta minus 1 root over cosec theta plus 1 plus root over cosec theta plus 1 divided by cosec theta minus 1. Jeng besok pairan nang 2 sec theta pairan nang. Ingke toro koron nungui tong kana sengwa jaga rationalize makenai. Rationalize heda. Ingke cosec theta plus 1 tame multiply kene yang cosec theta minus 1 में multiply kinai. Heda. Ingke or manai cosec theta minus 1 into cosec theta minus 1 plus root over or tonga ni cosec theta minus 1 sakao tongo cosec theta plus 1 yang tame multiply kene o jaga cosec theta plus 1 और वांग multiply kene cosec theta plus 1 ठीक दा ओके yang ta mana o jaga tola mana yang a square minus b square heda yang direct series na buji ka ang direct series na o jaga cosec square theta minus 1 man thine cosec theta whole square minus 1 whole square mane bilang tola heda cosec square theta minus 1 nge motang nai cosec theta minus 1 whole square plus root over cosec theta plus 1 whole square और वह है मांगा cosec अरे cosec square theta minus 1. Oke. Tahu nggak di? Sakatam tong na ni ro. Cosec theta minus 1 whole square. Cosec square theta minus 1 sabba. Cot square theta ya deba. Similarly oro cosec theta plus 1 whole square. Cosec square theta minus 1 sabba. Cot square theta. Azura clear? Azura clear? Next. Jadi cosec theta minus 1 whole square tam phasirai cosec theta minus 1 square by square root kan tola square tungu mane tola tang thanai tola cot theta thang sirai heda similarly mo oro square tungu ang pura square na woi square root by square root kan thang heda cosec theta plus 1 by cot theta mane o jaga okay ang oro LCM na ka kari kaini denominator no cot theta by cot theta kaini denominator no cot theta by cot theta ang ta mane o jaga cosec theta minus 1 plus cosec theta plus 1 direct series numerator ni direct series kata heda ke minus 1 plus 1 katen thang nai ta mana yang o jaga 2 cosec theta by cot theta ke 2 cosec theta mane no 1 by sin theta heda divided by cot theta mane no cos theta by sin theta yang ta manai 2 into 1 by sin theta into cos theta by sin theta saga thanga ke sin theta by cos theta cut cái tam phải trên này nữa tam phải trên này 2 by cos theta cái cos theta này reciprocal tamo sec theta which is equal to right hand side hence tamo proved that dancha yes hence proved tung kwa hence proved all right kha khoy buji tong na okay screenshot nadi nakha nalai okay agulai nai tinero belai no zora com जों अनेक गोबां questions solve खालामनो नांगौ 10 to a equal to 310 a is true when the measure of angle a is equal to अच्छा अमोनि बागै कांगोना कासे सेरनाय अमो कासे मुजुनार दि 10 to a नि कासे फॉर्मूला दं ओके 10 to a नि फॉर्मूला दं आ फॉर्मूला तामो 10 to a equal to 210a by 1 minus 10 square a बुझखदा 10 to a नि फॉर्मूला 10 to a नि फॉर्मूला 210a by 1 minus 10 square a clear okay guys ang value kaisa box ni le next ka or value box adi tabo because ang oro 2 nadi ang jodi no 10 to a rakha ke ang oro 2 into 90 degree 2 into 90 degree besang thanai 10 180 nge 10 180 10 180 degree rok norok masang ako 10 180 degree rok norok masang ako buhur masang na bo class 9 oh sorry class 9 ya class 11 no okay buhur masang nai class 11 no tabu ya ko abo so ang bagay na sungo formula use kena instead or 10 to a ni jagat 90 a ni jagat 90 put ke 180 thanai ge belai no nong ni bagay belai no angle kotor thanai angle kotor norok 90 degree ni abap norok masring ko heda apon norok class 11 chapter 3 trigonometric functions je pur surgo class 11 no apur surgo ko apro norok nukmai all right tab 210 by 1 minus 10 square ni shawo mukha gaseng box ni len or 90 box ni 1090 to undefined si Hedi ba? 1090 tamo undefined. Oh, sorry. Undefined ya. Sin 90 by cos 90 na. Sin 90 besok 1. Cos undefined no. Guess mau use kayak mong lia. 60 degree box ini jeng. Motor usung lia heda. Undefined no sampai jauh ke ba? 60 degree box ini di. So 210 60 degree by 1 minus 10 square a. So 10 square 60 degree 10 60 degree besok ba root 3 1 minus root 3 whole square 2 root 3 okay cut kari hage phai nai thik da okay ke 310 a by bahur equal nai ba check hai nai 310 a check hai nai 310 a ko n jaga 6 degree box nai di patri mo 1 minus 10 square 60 degree ke jodi no ang 10 6 degree minus os phai answer eta ke dong ya ke 45 degree rekhe bo ya 30 degree rekhang ke 30 degree और check करने लगे ना okay 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square so 2 by root 3 okay 1 minus 1 by 3 so 2 by root 3 2 by 3 này mo thế so 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2 cắt khai cái 3 by root 3 okay asir cái 310 a cái 310 30 degree so 3 into 10 30 degree 10 30 degree besok 10 30 degree ka 1 by root 3 besok 5 3 by root 3 yes or phaya na or phaya tanggai or phaya because or minus of 5 kyang ngo jaga box e rekha minus of 5 no value obviously phaya okay kisa tricking hanong bagi question te norok omo mutunardi okay mutunardi tapok di mo 10 to a okay 10 to any value 210 a by 1 minus 10 square a so option number tang nai option number chining nai option number d doubts the tong kun doubts kari nale hi yes Vishal Yadav hi doubts kari nale agu mangkha Sorry. Aku langsungnya. Oke, clear. Next, mau balance share question. Mau ke konsep. Nari, orang masuk tengok 20 degree, 70 degree. Are, sir, mau to complementary angle sih. Complementary angle is outside the syllabus. Hai ke masuk mana? No. Yes, complementary angles obviously it's outside the syllabus. But here for solving this question, we'll use concept. Concepts use connection. Okay. Nari, sing saya mana? Sin ni value, nari. Sin ni value ko 0 degree, te 30 degree, 45 degree, ha, te 60 degree, te 90 degree. Otama 0 ni simi thango bus zora 1 zora. Okay, increase dan decrease. Increase ng tongo. ठीक दा के cos ni value के similarly cos theta tang nai cos theta के decrease ng nai के tak check है नहीं sin by cos तक तंग संग नहीं sin 20 degree sin 70 degree sin 20 degree ने दबा sin 20 degree sin 70 degree ने सही बांग नहीं जमानो sin tam lagi sin 20 degree tam nai sin 20 degree कॉमन गुक नाई sin 17 sai because sin ni value बारे सी तंगो ठीक दा sin ni value tamo increasing तंगो थांग रे बारे रे Get 20 le bahai ke 17 se bang manai sin 20 degree sin 70 degree ni sai bangi jamano is it possible mo possible da mo possible ya omo possible da mo possible ya kha omo possible da yes omo possible check kana di cos ni value jese thango asuk no komi u so obviously cos 70 da bang no cos 20 bang pok nai tangai because cos ni value jese thang re komi re mane ang 0 degree ni simin 90 degree thangpur 90 degree to 0 sung thango 1 ni simi 0 thango heda cos ni value 1 ni simi 0 thango ko 1 ni simi ko amti ta graph cos ni graph ko amti ga buska cos ni graph ke mo tamba tola thangi to gale nge jese kang angle tola thang na asu ko minai buska oh graph bro kan norok class 11 sama por na graph ba ke te clear ko ta do ko kare concept version bujna ka option C okay option C next mau to NCERT ni si mau direct norok answer seri man this is a repeat question और just nang ko solve kai x kare janai this is a repeat question कैसे खाया repeat question so already agio khai jakmo chini previous session rogo sang khai jako question heda chini previous session rogo sungo question khai jak so it's a repeat question it's a battery long ka battery wait let me charge okay so let's skip this is a previous question sorry repeat question next acha a question about doubting mano tam rajawara 50 degree are 50 degree to sang khaya ko one suk C tang na jaga 3 sin 30 degree 3 sin 30 degree basuk 1 by 2 kaham kana ni mo 4 sin 30 degree basuk 1 by 2 whole cube ngale tabung na di if you observe here or 2 tongo here sin square 50 cos square 50 solaja jodi no if it was 50 and 60 then there would have been a problem khamo but here we have 50 and 50 angles are same it's not outside the syllabus okay not confused this question is given just to confuse you okay not nervous just to make you nervous so don't get nervous two common name one tam nanai sin square 50 degree plus cos square 50 degree here I'll get 3 by 2 minus 4 into 1 cube 1 9 2 cube 9 8 mokat khadi 2 5 9 2 mo pusang na ba sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 so we'll get 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 which implies 2 3 minus 1 so we'll get 2 by 2 by 2 cut 1 so we'll get 1 by 2 answer was 1 by 2 I hope it's clear Kailash Mali which one Kailash Mali okay see Kailash Mali we have 3 sin 30 degree 4 sin cube 30 degree we don't have any problem with that. Okay, because sine 30 degree and we know the value of sine 30 degree, right? But remember, this question is given just to make you nervous. What do you see here? Sine 50 and cos 50. The angles are 50, which you have not learned, right? Because these are complementary angles, 50 degree. But see, the angles are same. If this was 50 and this was any other angle, 60 or 70, then that time it would have been, the question would have been outside the syllabus. Okay, because that time you would have to use the complementary formulas. But here, sine 50 and cos 50, the angles are same. And we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Right? So obviously, if I take 2 common here, I'll get sine square 50 plus cos square 50. The angles are same. Sine square 50 plus cos square 50 is how much? 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Now you put the value and solve, you'll get the answer. Okay? Yes. Okay. 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 Again, this is a repeat question. Again, this is a repeat question. So many repeat questions. So many repeat questions. So many repeat questions. And also, this is a question from a NCERT book, right? This is a question from NCERT book. Mo NCERT ni. NCERT ni question. Heda? NCERT ni question mo. So many repeat questions. Let's skip this. Now, let's solve this. Bila na share mo. See, cot theta plus, if cot theta plus cos theta equal to P and cot theta minus cos theta equal to Q, prove that P square minus Q square equal to 4 root over PQ. Now, to prove this question, we'll solve the left hand side and right hand side separately. So, left hand side by right hand side separately solve hinay. Alright, cot theta plus cos theta equal to P. Then, see, what do we have here? What do we have here? Abang English baca aku sini, okay? I'll explain in English. P square and Q square. We have P square and Q square. So, obviously, we'll square both sides. We have cot theta plus cos theta, okay? If we square both sides, we'll get this. Cot theta plus cos theta whole square. How much will we get? A plus b whole square. So, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay? Next, we have q. Q is cot theta minus cos theta. Alright? Then again, we'll square both sides. If we square both sides, we'll get q square equal to cot theta minus cos theta whole square, which is equal to cot square theta minus 2 cot theta cos theta plus cos square theta. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay? So we have the value of p square and we have the value of q square. Now we'll just put the values here. Now, okay, wait, not now. Let's write left hand side. Left hand side. P square minus q square. What is the value of p square? This cot square theta plus 2 cot theta cos theta plus cos square theta minus q square. So we'll put this in bracket. Cot square theta minus 2 cot theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Then we'll get cot square theta plus 2 cot theta cos theta plus cos square theta minus cot square theta. Minus into minus will be plus 2 cot theta cos theta, minus into plus will be minus cos square theta. Okay, plus cot square theta minus cot square theta cancel. Plus cos square theta minus cos square theta will cancel out each other. So what will we get? What will we get? What will we get? 2 cot theta cos theta plus 2 cot theta cos theta will get 4 cot theta cos theta. Clear? So we have this 4 cot theta cos theta. Now check right hand side. Right hand side, what do we have right hand side? Right hand side, we have 4 root PQ. 4 root PQ, which means 4 root, how much is P? Cot theta plus cos theta, and then we have cot theta minus cos theta. Okay? Okay? Now this looks familiar. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So we'll get cot square theta minus cos square theta. Okay. Now we'll change this cot theta into cos and sine form. We'll change this cot theta into cos and sine form. So cot square theta will get cos square theta divided by sine square theta minus cos square theta. Clear? I hope it's clear. Now we'll take this cos square theta common. If we take this cos square theta common here, if we take, see, nothing is here means 1 is here, right? Nothing is here means 1 will be there. Okay, so we can take cos square theta common from the numerator. So if I take cos square theta common, what will I get here? 1 by sine square theta minus 1, because this cos square theta I have already taken common. So here it will become 1. This cos square theta is already outside, so it will become 1. Okay, now see, for root cos square theta, how much is 1 by sine square theta? 1 by sine theta, what is the reciprocal of sine theta? Cosec theta. So 1 by sine square theta will be cosec square theta minus 1. So I'll get 4 root cos square theta. Cosec square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. So how much will I get? 4. Root over cos square theta will be cos theta. Root over cot square theta will be cot theta. Aren't they equal? 4 cot theta cos theta, 4 cot theta cos theta. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Yes, they are equal. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Left hand side. So finally you can write it. Finally you can write it. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So since left hand side and right hand side are equal, hence proved. You can take a screenshot if you want. Sir, which is your favorite web series? Breaking of Bad or Stranger Things or Game of Thrones? I like all the web series. Wednesday. I like Breaking Bad because it's about a chemistry teacher, right? And I like Stranger Things. It's what I would say it's a psychedelic series, right? Sci-fi, science fiction, right? And Game of Thrones, obviously, it's one of the best web series ever. So I like all three of them. But if I have to select, I'll select Breaking Bad. Okay. If I have to select, I'll select Breaking Bad. P and Q will be multiple to each. Yes. Yep. Okay. I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. Let's proceed with the next question. We don't have much time. I have, I think, only 10 more minutes. This. So 1 minus tan 30 degree. Okay. I'll not write this tan 30 degree more. Okay. Because we don't have much time. I have to finish this problems. Tan 30 degree is how much? 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole square. Here I'll get 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay. So 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3. So here I'll get 3. Then 3 minus 1. Then 3. Then 3 plus 1. Cut. We'll get 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 4. Cut. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Whose value is 1 by 2 here? Check. Whose value is 1 by 2? Sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2. No. Cos 60 degree, 1 by 2. Yes. Option B. Okay. All right. RHS. TYC explain Khaila. Sir, you teach daily. Daily means like up to 2-3 days. Okay. But most of the sessions, see, Kailas Mali. I'm teaching in English because you are here right now. Okay. If you go back, you'll not understand anything because I was teaching in my own language. Okay. Local students from here. All right. Okay. For Rajiv. Rajiv told to explain again. Okay. Let's see Rajiv. Right hand side, I have this 4 root over PQ. Observe properly. P is how much? P is this cot theta plus cos theta. Q is cot theta minus cos theta. Now this looks like A plus B into A minus B. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So I'll get cos square theta minus cos square theta. Now cot theta I can write it as cos square theta by sin square theta, right? Cot theta I can write it as cos square theta by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Then here nothing is here means 1 will be always there in denominator. We know that. Now if we take cos square theta outside, what will I get here? 1 by sin square theta. Yes. What will I get here? 1, because cos square theta is already outside. Now how much is 1 by sin square theta? 1 by sin square theta is cos x square theta minus 1 minus 1. Cos x square theta minus 1 is what? Use the identity formula. Cos x square theta minus 1 will be cot square theta. So I have cos square theta and cot square theta. Okay, so here I have square, so this square and square roots will cancel out each other. So I'll get cos theta 4 cos theta cot theta. Okay, Rajiv, clear? I hope it's clear. Your teaching is understandable. Okay, thank you, Kailas. Thank you. See, Kailas, if you will attend my sessions daily, I'm ready to teach in English. No problem. Okay, we'll proceed to our next question. Now see here, this is an assertion reason question, right? We have option B, option C, and option D. Now check here, for an acute angle theta, if sin theta is 3 by 5, cos theta is minus 4 by 5. Is it possible? Is it possible? No, it's not possible. See, why? Why? If sin theta is 3 by 5, how can we get minus 4 by 5? Cos theta, how can it be minus 4 by 5? Is it possible? If we use identity, we'll get something like this, 1 minus cos square theta, right? So if I put the value, sorry, I wrote it opposite. If I write, if I want to find the value of cos theta, I have to use identity and I'll get something like this. Now if I put the value of sin theta here, 3 by 5, obviously I'll get positive values. So if I get positive values, I'll get positive answer, right? Because inside the square root, if I get negative answer, then we'll get complex numbers. Complex numbers you'll learn in class 11. Okay, we cannot get negative value inside square root for class 10. Remember, for class 10 we cannot get negative values inside the square root. So is it possible? No, it's not possible. It's not possible. Assertion is not possible. Reason, is it possible? For any value of theta, this sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Yes. So assertion is false, reason is true. Check which option is this. Which option? Assertion is false, reason is true. Option number D. See this option. Option number D. So option number D will be right. No need to solve. Just using the concept, we can answer it. Okay. Just using the concept, we have answered it. No need to solve. Clear? All right. Let's proceed. Particular time, Kailas, there is no particular time for right now. Okay, maybe from you do one thing, you keep the notifications on, so whenever I'm live you can watch the session. Okay, whenever I'm live you can watch the session, and you can also tell me which chapter do you want to solve PYQ, then I'll bring it for you. Okay, all right, next question. It is given that sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Use it to find the value of sin 15 degree. Now, this is a very good question. Why? Because here we have to find the value of sin 15 degree. Now you might think, sir, sin 15 degree, we have not learned sin 15 degree. How will we find sin 15 degree? Right? How will we find sin 15 degree? Now see here. First I'll write this. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A. This is given. What are the angles that we have learned? What are the angles? 0, right? 30, 45, 60, and what? 90. Okay, these are the angles you have learned. These are the 5 angles you have learned. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Now, this is given. Now, seeing this, you might get nervous again. This is a question given to make you nervous. Remember, it's not outside the syllabus. You might think it's outside the syllabus, but it's not outside the syllabus. See, these are the angles you have learned. Now, in place of A and B, you have to put any 2 of these values such that if we subtract them, you'll get how much? You'll get 15. You'll get 15. If you subtract them, you'll get 15. So what can you use? You can either use this and this, 45 minus 30. How much you'll get? 45 minus 30. You'll get 15. Or you can use this. Or you can use this. 60 and 45. 60 degree minus 45 degree is 15. Right? 45 degree minus 30 degree is 15. So in place of A, you can put 45. In place of B, you can put 30. Or in place of A, you can put 60. In place of B, you can put 45. Then you put the values here. Then you solve this equation. Then you'll get the value of sine 15 degree. I hope it's clear. Surface areas and volumes. Okay, sure. I'll bring, okay? But let me finish trigonometry first. Okay, now I'll take 60 and 45, okay? I'll take 60 and 45. So sine 60 degree minus 45 degree. Here, in place of A, I have taken 60. In place of B, I have taken 45. Remember, in place of A, okay, I'll write here. In place of A, I have taken 60. In place of B, I have taken 45. Okay? So, sine 60 degree cos 45 degree minus cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree sine 45 degree. So here we'll get sine 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 will be 15 degree. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So here we'll get root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Then we'll get root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This will be your answer, sine 15 degree. Now, if you want to rationalize it, you can rationalize it. Okay, we can rationalize, no problem. With root 2, then we'll get 2 root 2 into root 2 here. Okay, so we'll get a root 3 minus 1 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4. The answer can be this, okay? You can answer it this way or you can answer it this way, no problem. Both are correct, okay? Both are correct. This answer is before rationalizing, this answer is after rationalizing, all right? There is no value of A and B. Yes, the value of A and B is not given. So we have to assume, see, we have learned this, right? You have learned this, 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90. You have to take the values of such, you have to take such values so that this gets 15. A minus B will get 15. So I put this, see, sine 15. Now, if, see, you can try this with another number. Sine 45 and sine 45 minus 30, okay? In place of A, you put 45. In place of B, you put 30. You'll get the same answer. All right? Next question. Can you explain it one more time? See, in place of A, I have put 60. In place of B, I have put 45. So sine 60, in place of B 45. In place of A 60, in place of B 45. So sine 60 degree is this, cos 45 is this, cos 60 degree is this, sine 45 degree is this. Then you start solving it, you'll get the answer. Okay? Next. Okay, let me check the battery, okay? Charge. Do we have any charge left? Low charge. The charge is very low. I don't think we'll be able to finish the session today. Okay, no problem. If sine A equal to y, then express cos A and tan A in terms of y. Sine A is equal to y. Express cos A and tan A in terms of y. How will we get cos A? Cos A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. So root over 1 minus y square. That's it. Tan A. What will be tan A? Tan A is sine A by cos A. Sine A is y. Cos A is root y 1 minus square. Finish. That's it. Using the identity. Okay. Tan A we know sine A by cos A. Sine A is y. Cos A is this. Finish. Okay. You can take a screenshot. Let's move towards next question. This is a repeat question. Repeat question. Okay. Repeat question. So we'll move towards next question. Repeat question. This you can easily solve. I just give you hint. This you can easily solve. See, the value of sine. When is the value of sine root 3 by 2? When is the value of sine root 3 by 2? The value of sine is root 3 by 2, sine 60 degree, 2a plus b will be equal to 60 degree. When is the value of tan 1? The value of tan is 1? When? Tan 45 degree. Okay, then a plus 2b will be 45 degree. Then you'll get something like this. 2a plus b equal to 60 degree. A plus 2b equal to 45 degree. Using substitution method or elimination method, you can solve this. Okay, you solve this using substitution or elimination method. That's it. We can move towards next question. This you can easily find. You can take a screenshot. We don't have much time. Okay, if the video shuts off, it means that the battery is over, the charge is over. Okay, and our session will be over for today. All right. No, I don't have any apps, Kailash. I teach for free. It's for free. I teach for free. Okay. This we have already done. This we have already done. You can check the previous. This kind of question we have already done. This is a repeat question. Okay. Not the exact same question, but with this question we have already done. All right. 93. You can solve this. Then we have this. Then we have this. Okay, the last one. I hope the battery remains. The charge remains. Okay, sine theta plus cos theta is equal to x. Sine theta plus cos theta will square both sides. We'll get x square. Okay, so we'll get sine square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta plus cos square theta equal to x square. So sine square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. So 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta equal to x square. So 2 sine theta cos theta will be equal to x square minus 1. X square minus 1. So sine theta cos theta will be x square minus 1 by 2. Take a screenshot, okay? Take a screenshot. Now we have to show this. See, sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. This I can write it as sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square. Now remember, a square plus b square, I can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Remember this formula, a square plus b square, okay? So I can write it as sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. Sine square plus cos square theta is 1, so 1 square minus 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. So sine theta cos theta is this, so I can write this as x square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 minus 2 x square minus 1, this will be 4, cancel each other, 2. So if I take 2 here, 2 minus x square minus 1. Oh, whole square. Okay, which is equal to right hand side. You take the screenshot and think about it. Hence proved. So our trigonometry session is over. Our trigonometry session is over. All right. No problem, no problem. Only 2 watching. Kuning ya kokre. Ga. Mo last question. Somo by chini pai kya. Chini pura trigonometry 2025 ni seng pai kya. Asak no. Okay. So next chapter norok tam nana musung. Tam ni PYQ khaina musung. Apa na telegram share di. Telegram. All right. Tell me in telegram. Okay. After this session, in the comment box, I will be sharing my Telegram's link. You can join the Telegram. There I'll update you about the class. And there in the Telegram, I'll give you options. Which chapter do you want as PYQs? And the chapter which gets the most vote will be the chapter that I'll be discussing next. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. And stay safe, stay happy. Thank you. Okay, sure, Kailash. Tell your friend. All right? Bye.